What's up, guys? Pokemon here, and I just want to do a quick video. So I got my Christmas present from my parents earlier today, and yeah. So what's this? I don't know if you guys have heard of this. I haven't. So I'm just gonna wait to open it, but I think we're just gonna open it now and just kind of see exactly what this is, because I have never heard of this. So let's see what we got in here. Alright, so I mean it's a box. Okay. So let's see. So the first thing we've got a blister pack, so that's like XY. See, so each one has a bird. So these are all XY packs. Wow, look at that. Oh, not zooming too in. So it looks like each one is its own thing. There's Zapdos, and then here is Articuno. That right there. Alright, so I've never seen these. So what do we get here? So yeah, these look like, so basically you get the cards and then they're ready to play decks, it looks like. And then we've got the 3, and then so this looks like 9 packs. So that's pretty cool. I mean, XY is the older generation, but you know how we feel on this channel. We don't discriminate shiny cards or hollows. We like all things shiny. So I think I might open these in another video, but I just wanted to kind of do a quick little rundown of what came in that. If anyone is thinking about this for someone, so I'm assuming they got it off Amazon or something. But so I'm gonna go ahead and I think the last thing I showed was me opening that Legendary Birds thing that my parents sent me. So what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to go ahead and open I believe the blister packs. And then I'm going to leave the decks, I'm just going to leave those sealed, because, I mean, we already know the cards we're going to get are already on the front, so we don't want to mess with that. But these, we'll go ahead and we'll open all these and see if we get anything decent. Let's go ahead and do that. So there's the back. Oh, come on. We can open these, I believe it. Ugh. Alright, it wasn't pretty. We got it open. So let's see. So first we got Primal Clash. We've got a Breakthrough. And then we've got our good old pal Steam Seed. So yeah, like I said, I'm not too familiar with all of these, the XY packs. So there's our pin. So the pins are actually really cool. That's pretty awesome. Side there. So I'm gonna go ahead and just open them all, and then I'll open the packs with it. Alright. Actually, what I'll do, so I'll leave the 3 packs and I'll put the pin on which one they came from, so we can see which of these did the best. Right now, I'm gonna go with Moltres being the one that has the best cards. So we'll see if that pans out. So for this one, we've got Primal Clash again. We've got another Breakthrough, and then we've got Steam Siege. And if we look at our pin, so there's Articuno, looking pretty ballin'. Alright, keep him there. Some natural light in here. So then we'll go ahead and put him here. So there's ours. Now we've got the mulch. So it looks like it's a Primal Clash breakthrough and a Steam Siege. I'm hoping we get something, anything shiny, cool. We'll take. We will take. Alright, so let's get our packs out. So we've got our Primal Clash, our breakthrough, and then our Steam Siege. And here's those real quick. Here's our pin. Look at that. That is awesome. Cool. All right, so I'm gonna leave Moltres for last because that's who I'm betting everything on. So we're gonna go. I think we do Articuno first, and then as far as the order, I think. So we'll definitely do Steam Siege first. Honestly, I think I'll go in the order they had in the pack. So let's just start like that. And let's see if we got anything decent. Alright. There's our code. And for XY we do 3. Alright. Let's see what we got here. So we've got the Pokepuff, we've got a Clang, Lamp Dude, Mankey, Clink, Mantine, Shellos, Meryl. So a reverse holo is a rare, Abalug, and Clawitzer, non-holo. So it's about what you'd expect from a Steam Siege pack. Alright, so next up we got Breakthrough. Oh, jeez. Alright, well that happens. It didn't open up exactly how I wanted it to. Oh, alright, there's the code. I don't know why it was that way. 1, 2, 3. What do we got here? We've got Starmie, Curlia, Parallel City, that's a cool looking card. Skiddo, Bronzer, Meowth looking like he's having a hard time. Zorua, Ralts, Reverse Holo Scatterbug, and Aromatisse. Looks like non-holo. Alright, last pack from the Articuno box, or the blister pack. Wow, that just ripped right open. Alright. And it's upside down. How do I do that? There we go. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. I mean, honestly, I don't know if we do the code or the tricks anymore. We just show the cards, but we'll still do it. Mr. Mime, Combuskin, Shroomish, Trico, Zigzagoon, Surskit, Meryl. So we got Rare Candies, a reverse, and we've got, whoa, there we go. Mega Gardevoir EX. That is awesome looking. Probably not worth much, but hey, that is a beautiful card. Look at that. All right, so Articuno strikes first. So I mean, don't really know value, so I'm not going to really base that on what gets or who wins. Just kind of, it's probably going to be subjective. But yeah, so far that's a pretty good start. So let's move on to Zapdos. Let's see how those packs do. If you hear some weird noises in the background, my wife is playing Xbox. I don't know what game she's playing. She's giving me the dirty look. The stink eye. I'm in trouble. There's the code. Alright, let's see what we got here. Alright, we got a Braviary, Duwat, Claw Fossil, Anorith, Ponyta, Merrill, and I dropped the card. There we go. Lit Leo, Rufflet, Fungus, Pyroar is our reverse. It is also a rare. And we've got, oh, look, what'd you look at that? Another Gardevoir EX. So, once again, we'll put that in, don't think that's, I wouldn't consider that better than Mega Gardevoir. So I think Articuno still holds the lead right now. But who knows? Still 2 more packs. So next up we've got Breakthrough. What's going on with this? There we go. Sorry guys, I cannot open this. Okay. Here's our code. 1, 2, 3. That was a struggle. And I got 4. It's a real struggle right now. Alright, we got another Starmie. Hurlia. Wait a minute. Oh, it's another Parallel City. That always throws me off with the writing that's like upside down. You got Ghastly, Sad Meowth, Panseer, Ralts, Swinub. Hoot Hoot is our reverse, and we've got Smirgle. I don't know if that's how you say that, but that's a non-holo. So yeah, so far it looks like Articuno is still in the lead. So we got last pack, but the last pack that we had in the Articuno was the one that had something decent. So we'll see if that's the case here. So here's our code. 1, 2, 3. I tell you guys, no AC, sun's out, I'm sweating real bad. Here we go. I'll tell them if I want to tell them. There's Tentacool, Torchic. These are cool looking cards. Honedge, Barboach, Weedle, Tynamo, Corphish. So Zigzagoon is our reverse holo, and Kingdra, non-holo. Put that there. So far, based on that, so still gonna have to give that to Articuno with the Mega Gardevoir EX. So we did get a Gardevoir EX. Gardevoir? I don't know how you say that. I'm just going out on the limb. It sounds right. But now we are down to Moltres, and this is the one that I said was gonna. These are the ones that are gonna have it. I know it's gonna have something good. I guess good being subjective here, considering the packs we're opening. But hey, like I said, we don't judge here. We take all shinies. Alright, so we're gonna do 3. Let's go through these. Plus, a lot of these I haven't seen any, as far as I'm not really familiar with the X and Y series, so let's go through these. Okay, so there was no reverse holo in there, so that feels good. So this one's off to a great start. All right, Breakthrough. Come on, man! I don't know why. Some of these I can open no problem. Others are really tough. And here we go. There's your code. Just trash out of here. Oh wait. 1, 2. There's some whitening on these cards. What do we got here? Magneton. That's pretty cool looking. Wobbuffet, Quilava, Snover, Cacnea, Spritzy, Ghastly, Doduo. Reverse holo is Seeking, and it is Mewtwo EX. Look at that. Now I'm gonna have to put this one above the. Well, I don't know. It's definitely in second place now. We've hit second with this. So put the Moltres right here. Oops. There we go, just like that. So it's gonna be a tough debate between those two. Might have to get a second opinion. All right, last pack of the blisters. Primal Clash. Yeah, I really don't know what you can pull from this set. There's a code. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. All right, what do we got here? We've got a Bidoof. We got Rhydon. The Hidden Ball Trick. Tentacool. Nidoran. Tynamo. Chinchou. Horsey. Reverse Hollow is Solrock. And we've got Magcargo, which looks like it is just a non-hollow, which is kind of sad because it looks like it would be something, but it's not. All right, well, so third place is definitely going to go to Zapdos because as cool as this card is, it's I don't think it's going to beat the other ones. Let's see. I don't really take into consideration the reverse hollows. So now we're down to Articuno with the Mega Gardevoir EX and then the Mewtwo EX, but look at the way that looks. We have to bring in a second opinion. Second opinion, could you please approach the stand? Yes, you. My wife is confused right now. All right, I need you to tire. Well, trying to decide which one do you like better. Do you like this one or this one? This one? Or this one? This one?
Yeah.
All right, guys. Well, you heard it. So it looks like the winner's going to be Articuno and with the Mega Gardevoir EX, which, you know what? She's right. That's a pretty awesome looking card. But, you know, honestly, that wasn't bad. So we got 3 cool looking cards we're going to add to our miscellaneous collection. But yeah, that's really all I got, guys. So yeah, I'll make sure I keep adding more videos. I got a lot of goodies that I plan on posting. There's a lot of back order on videos. So hopefully, who knows when this one will pop up. This is probably going to be a few days after Christmas, so it'll be weird to talk about Christmas stuff and it's not even, or it's already passed. But yeah, that's all I got. So until next time, I'll see you guys later.